Yeah. Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning. Um, Participants joining online, can you confirm if our audio is okay? Those joining online via listings, can you confirm? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Next.
Good morning po, Lady from Lady Baby World. Naririnig po ba kami? Morning, Lady Baby World. Miss Marietta, good morning po.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Later ka.
We must figure it out, please.
Walang may nagsasalita, sir. Nag-thumbs up lang.
Diyan sa lumalabas sa audio, isang box na yun. Dapat.
Hindi
Hindi
na
ko
ba?
na-figure out yan.
Hindi mo niya connected dito.
Kuha niya, sir, pan-live stream.
Ah,
live
Nakakonect
stream
sa
siya.
live stream, sir.
Pag sa ating computer.
Yung sa
Teams,
atin,
Teams.
kung naka...
Kung di rin nakakonect.
Alright, so let's show the opening slide, guys. Alright, so good morning everyone. Welcome to our bid opening for the supply and delivery of training materials and equipment for the conduct of the Schools Division of Leyte. Training of teachers on the revised grades 6, 9, and 10 curriculum training program for 5 days. The bid opening is scheduled today, April 20, 2026 at 10 a.m. Secretariat, please call the roll as well as the acknowledgement of our participants, both on-site and online. Thank you.
Good morning po. Present in today's bid opening is our back chairperson, Sir Chodorito C. Peligno Jr. Present online is our back members, Sir Mauricio M. Catan and Sir Alvin F. Tantuan. For our technical working group, we have Sir Ismael T. Pochon and Ma'am Gina Deloy and Attorney Paz P. Barbosa. For our back secretariat member, we have Ma'am Jenny D. Dalasin. And for the observer from G-Watch, attending online is Sir Vincent Basiano. And for our end user, we have Ma'am Tessa Macabakyao. For the suppliers, we have Sir Winifredo R. De Los Santos from AAA Non-Specialized Wholesale Trading and from Leyte Paper World. Present online, Ma'am Marietta Fabula. Good morning po. For the back secretariat head, we also have Sir Dominador L. Lambunao, present online.
Thank you, Secretariat, with 3 back members present, right? Dr. Catan and Dr. Tantuan, and yours truly. The Bids Analyst Committee is sufficient in number, so therefore we can proceed with our bid opening. Secretariat, how many bids have you received for this particular property project? 2 bids received, and here we have bids from Leyte Paper World received at 8:50 a.m. April 20, and another bid from this is from AAA Non-Specialized Wholesale Trading received at 9:20 a.m. April 20, 2026. So open first the bid from Lady Paper World. Okay, so original. Okay. We have here the technical component requirements of Lady Paper World. Certificate of Philgips Registration, Platinum Membership, June 9, 2026. Pages 1, 2, and 3. SLCC, single largest completed contracts. Present, dated April 18, 2026. Statement of ongoing contracts. Present, April 18, 2026. Bid securing declaration. Project identification number specified, stated, duly notarized. Original copy provided. April 15, 2026. Next, technical specification. Conformity with technical specification. April 10, 2026. NFCC. NFCC. NFCC present April 18, 2026. NFCC is 376,057,831. Okay, and I think that's it. Those are the technical component requirements as specified in our bidding documents. So we can proceed opening the financial component and the operating paper. Okay, so valid Philgips certificate, platinum, all pages present. Ongoing government and private contracts, SOCC, bid security, technical specification conformity, omnibus sworn statement. Omnibus sworn statement. I not mentioned it about the omnibus. Omnibus sworn statement. Omnibus sworn statement present. Project title and reference number stated duly notarized. Original copy provided April 15, 2026. Alright. Financial component. Deciding the lead form of Lady Paper World, project identification number 2026-04-035. For the supply and delivery of training materials and equipment for the conduct of schools division of Lady Training Teachers on the revised grade 6, 9, and 10 curriculum training program for 4 days. Total price of the bid is 888,088 pesos only. That is 888,088. 888,088. 888,088 pesos only. April 18, 2026. Price schedule present. With the same amount as specified in their price schedule. How many items are there based on the specifications? Are there 26 items? In our bid, in our as posted.
Our website.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26. Are there 26 items? Alright, so Lady Paper World passed the preliminary examination for technical component sufficient for evaluation. The next bidder is AAA non-specialized postal trading. Number here. Bigger AAA non-specialized postal trading. Certificate of Field Trips Registration Platinum Membership, November 3, 2026, pages 1, 2, and 3. Statement of the prospective bidders' ongoing government and private contracts. Present. April 16, 2026. Statement of the leader's single largest completed contract for SLCC. Present. April 16, 2026. Bid security as prescribed, as a prescribed form. Bid security, bid securing declaration. Bid reference number specified. Original copy provided, duly authorized, April 10, 2026. Conformity with technical specifications. Present all items, present items. Omnibus for statement. Project title stated. And reference number. Duly authorized. Original copy provided. April 10, 2026. NFCC. Present. April 16, 2026, 124,932,672 pesos. For the record, we have here certification. Confirming that this is not no joint venture arrangement. Alright, it's a certification, but not a joint venture agreement. A certification. Okay. Contessa, good, right? Technical documents. So we can proceed opening your financial component window. Bid form from AAA, bid reference number specified as well as the title. For the procurement, for the supply and delivery of training materials and equipment for the conduct of the schools and related training of teachers on the revised grade 6, 9, and 10 curriculum training program for 4 days. Bid reference number 126.04-035. Total price of bid in words 889,710 pesos only. That is 889,710. Again, 889,710. 889,710 pesos only. April 20, 2026. Price schedule, percent. All items. Alright. 26 items. The same amount, 889,710. AAA non-specialized wholesale trading. Passed the preliminary examination for technical component sufficient for evaluation. Secretariat?
So, for the recap, for the supply and
Magandang marinig ka dyan. Okay.
for the recap, supply and delivery of the following training materials and equipments for the conduct of the school's Division of Later Training of Teachers under revised grade 6, 9, and 10 curriculum training program for 4 days. So we have supplier, we have the AB with an ABC of 1,140,500. So we have supplier 1, Leyte Paper World with a total bid price of 888,088 pesos only, complying sufficient for evaluation. We have supplier 2 from AAA non-specialized wholesale trading with a total bid price of 889,710 pesos only, complying sufficient for evaluation.
Thank you, Secretariat. Thank you to our to everybody. Secretariat, are there other items to be covered? Are to our okay, so that's the next agenda item. Alright, so we are adjourning our big opening conference. We would like to thank our bidders from AAA and from Leyte Paper World. Thank you so much. Salamat kaayo. Have a great day, everyone. We can end our live session.